Hello friends. Well, yesterday was interesting, shall we say. Started off quite nicely, very windy, but apart from that okay, and the track was very good to start with, but then later on it became pretty rocky, and I had a bit of a stumble at one point and broke my trekking pole. That's a bit of a disaster when you've got a trekking pole tent, but I did manage to cobble it together for the evening. Hello friends, I'm here. The day's finally arrived. It's Thursday, the 3rd of April, 3rd or 4th? Yeah, 3rd of April. And the time has come for me to set off for John O'Groats and then back again. I had a really good trip down on the train yesterday from Lancaster, met lots of interesting people, and my friend Andy picked me up from the station yesterday evening, and he's kindly driven me down to Land's End this morning in all the sunshine until we got here, and then it's been cloudy, and he tells me I've got 10 minutes to decide whether I'm going to stick around here or go back with him to the nice warm house that he lives in. But I'm going for it. I'm going for John O'Groats and back. Roughly 5 months I should think it'll take me. And thank you for all your messages of good wishes this morning. I'm looking forward to it. I am looking forward to it, even though it's freezing cold.